The real estate question for today is renting a house better than buying a house? Hello, my name is Joanne Luff, and I'm a real estate agent, and I work at Coldwell Banker Alliance in Whittier. I believe that buying is better than renting. There's a lot of advantages. There's tax advantages where you can write off the interest. But also, when you have a landlord, they really have control over where you live, and if you're moving, if they need their apartment or house back, you have to move. You have a lot of moving expenses. But also, the interest rates are so low right now that mortgages are often a lot lower than rent. Actually, rents are way up right now. And you can take advantage of those low interest rates, and you would have a home paid off where on down the line when you retire, you don't have a payment at all. And when you're renting, you're never going to get out from under paying rent or those monthly fees. Totally messed that up.